Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls College. This is Jyoti Singh, class 10. Today we will do a next chapter in life processes, which is transportation in plants. So in the transportation of plants, we need two tissues. That very important tissues are xylem and phloem. So today we will do the xylem transportation, and in the next lecture we will do the phloem transportation. So let's start.
So let's start it to learn how transport of water across the plant. The major source of energy in plants is from the food they produce during photosynthesis. As everyone knows, the process of photosynthesis is very necessary for making the food process. So the most of the raw materials required for the photosynthesis, such as water and other minerals, are obtained from the soil itself. Here you can see in the picture, roots are spread out in the soil, and the nutrients like phosphorus, potassium, nitrogen, all are nutrients present in the soil. Also, most of the raw materials like nitrogen compounds required for building and maintenance of plant bodies are also obtained from the soil. So, all these materials required for the proper growth of the plant is present in the soil, and that is called as a nutrient. So, these are the nutrients: potassium, phosphorus, nitrogen, and rest of the building block elements are also present, which are necessary for the maintenance and for the building of the whole body of the plant. Let us see, water and minerals are absorbed from the soil through small hairs present on the root, and that are called root hairs. As you have already seen in the absorption of water, you have seen the respiratory structure are found all over the surfaces of the plant, and you have seen on the leaf, on the stem, on the root. So here you can see water and minerals are absorbed from the soil through small hairs. In the picture you can see the root hairs are arises at the end, and here is the big picture of root hair, and that root hair goes into between the soil particles, and in between the soil particles you can see the blue color water is present. Blue color demarcates the presence of water, and air also present. So through this root hair, air and water is absorbed. Now you can see in this picture, red lining or red marking is going upwards. What is showing? These raw materials which are absorbed through the roots have to be moved to leaves to be utilized for energy. As you know, the process of photosynthesis is taking place in the leaf. So it is necessary that raw material for making the food, for making the process of photosynthesis possible, it is necessary that these materials goes up to the top portion of the leaf. As leaves could be situated far away from the roots, a defined transport system is required. Have you ever think about this, children? That leaves could be situated far away from the roots. Roots are present underground and leaves are found on the top of the soil surface, and these leaves are at far distance from the root. So for the proper transport of these nutrients, the proper system is also needed. That proper system for long distance transport is possible through these transporting machineries. So let us learn about the transportation system in plants.